Ready, start. Police station, victim, dowry, death, married, deceased, solemnized against domestic violence, appears, unconscious, custody, framed, delayed, chances, tempering, conditions, demand, clear, clearly, autopsy, 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 injury, injuries, inflicted, subjected, marriage, cruelty, harassment, deemed, caused, explanation, prohibition, commits, extend, imprisonment, corroborated, settled, settlement, demanded, customary, ceremonies, unrelated, ambit of dowry, reliance, pressuring, factum, ingredient, provisions, occurred, normal, conviction, essentially, necessarily, ascertained, presumes, hoped, happened, substance, containing, phenolic, consumed, compounds, hanging, asphyxia, 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 antemortem, hanging, victimization, considering, labeled, parameters, enshrined, rigorous, judicial, supplementary, prosecution, evidence, absconding, feeling, punitive, considerable, presence, secured, likely, especially, commenting, facts, satisfied, sureties, metropolitan, magistrate, adjournment, cooperate, cancellation, observations, expression, expansion, aforesaid terms, appeared, economics, complaint, induced, complainants, promised, guaranteed, basket of securities, margin, requirements, completely, agreements, checks, equivalents, amounts, assurance, withdrawn, executed, suffering, ailments, salaried, pertaining, administration, institutions, handling, management, affairs, especially, execution, investigation, already, perusal, charge sheet, alleged, vis-a-vis, regularly, allegation, luring, reliance, annexed, annexer, disclosed, loaned, shares, securities, trading activities, intact, accused, interest, despite, repeated, returning, served, transferred, demate, accounts, revealed, beginning, lastly, circumstance, signatory, fraud, promoter, managing director, incriminating evidence, cheated, allegations, functioning, likelihood, absconding, temper, documentary, nature, charge, co-accused, medical ailments, compromised lungs, tuberculosis, liver damaged, condition, denied, pursuant payments, considerable, stopped, agreed, claimed, transactions, purely commercial element, cheating, trial, presumed, stage, court fees, useful purpose, incarceration, furnishing, surety, satisfaction, metropolitan magistrate, informing concerned country, permission, mobile, switched, lodged, redressal, seeking, cancellation, aforementioned terms, influence, outcome, deciding, Muhammad Rais, Faruqi, Ahmad, Samser, Imran, Malik, Laku, Khalid, Aziz, Aditi Mishra, Asad Beg, pre-arrest bail, Rajinder Nagar, pursuant alleging robbery, jewelry items, colored, Charlo, Chevrolet Cruze footage cameras, vehicle identified Ghaziabad, Mustaka, Mustaka, Mustaqin, Muhammad recovered possession alias Badshah, learned counsel implicated, disclosure, property robbed, material absconding, statement categorically extraordinary, exercised, routine manner, accused, joint, cooperated, agency, abscond, custodial, interrogation, perhaps, avoided, allegation, possession, articles, initially non-valuable, warrants, proceeding, initiated, mind, punishment, accused, liable, severity, convicted, antecedents, rational antecedents, applying, serious offences, observed, absolutely conscious, deprivation, immense, creates impact, concavity, personality, individual, civilized, causes, vacuum, needless, to say, emphasize, sacrosanctity, democratic polity, restrictions, orderly, society, expected, dignity, realm, absolutism, placed and harmony, collective, necessity, tribalized, governed, source, subserve, balance, function, significant, fundamentally, obedience, peacefully, achieve, regulated, freedom, accentuated, pedestal, anarchy, prospect, prevail, precise, exactitude, exactitude, adjudication, precepts, contagious, epidemic, basically, disturbed, tranquility, interference, analyzed, cherished, element, geoparadized, rational, countenance, anti-collective, nascent, interrogation, allegation, alleging, household articles stolen, way away, matrimonial discord, summer, tendency, removed, parents, surreptitiously, renting, defendant, developers, engaged, selling properties, deliberately, using, trade, intent, misrepresent, associated, venture, offering, finished, infringing, promotional undertaking, effect, infringe, according, restrain, defendants, activities, injunction, retraining, relevant, portion, infringement, convenience, irreparable harm, injury, directors, proper, proprietors, partners, agents, distributors, franchisees, representatives, trademark, culpable, imitation, artistic, assigns, confusingly, copyright, register, effecting, completion, pleadings, ordinary, appeared, return, behalf, proceeded, summons, affidavit, regard, permanent, injunction, opportunity, appearance, requisite, suffered, interim, comparison, perusal, competing, attempt, goodwill, reputation, well known, prominent, screenshots, annexed, aberments, artistic, deceptively, similar, decreed, relief, subsidiary, 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 infrastructure, website, desert, proceedings, innocence, adoption, considering, additionally, commence, execution, failing, Baljit Singh, अनुप्रिया अनुप्रिया, कार्तिकी, राघव, एंथवॉल, अभिमन्यु, पारस, जुनेजा, एडवोकेट्स, असिस्टेंट, प्रेइंग, क्वेसिंग, टर्मिनेटिंग, अपॉइंटमेंट्स, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, इलीगल, रिलीविंग, एप्रोप्रिएट, मैंडेमस, डायरेक्टिंग, कंटिन्यूड, अलाउंसेस, consequential, consequentially, benefits, continuity, factual matrix, detailed here under, publicity, secretariat, referred, recommending, obtained, deputation, pursuant, relieved, secretary, lieutenant, permanently, subsequently, conveyed, cadre, clearance, settled, corresponding, executives, recruitment, employees, imposed, discretion, terminated, compliance, competence, authority, submissions, contentions, proceedings, affidavit, rejoinder, respective, perused, assigning, challenged, filling, terminated, progress, notification, conducting, inquiry, recourse, appropriate, remedy, disregard, disciplinary, authority, equivalent, ex cadre, sanctioned, wide order, forwarded, Siddharth, publicity, directorate, vacant, submitted, performance, requested, permanently, absorption, Vidhan Sabha, opinion, repatriated, hesitation, legislature, proposed, sufficiency, experience, presiding, immediate, incorporation, consultation, regulation, indicates, necessary, penalty, dismissal, conveyed, creation, pre-revised, lowered, immediately, contained, struck, strength, interpretation, provision, exclusively transferable, executive, borrow, marshals, deployed, curtailed, establishing, supreme, objections, overruled, absorbed, approval, allocated, transact, introduction, functions, directly, indirectly, parliamentary affairs, minister, audit report, consultation, illegal, jurisdiction, liable, side, aside, contrary, statutory, 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 violative, allotted, bared, limitation, latches, estoppel clause, reinstatement, avenues, officiating, challenge, pertinent, misconduct, attended, bearings, granted, existent, absence, national capital territory, separate, provided, applicability, virtue, delegation, separate, amended, conferred, exercised, governor, gazette, notification, exempted, provision, applicable, existent, blatant, unilaterally, emoluments, reiterated, relieving, strange, willingness, superintendent, knowledge, intimated, involved, consented, pending, ending, upgraded, absence. Unilaterally, concurrence, issuance, restructured, argued, forged, fabricated, settling, contradictory, exigencies, emergent, arrangement, finalization, query, furnished, completion, vitiated, fraud, issuance, seriousness, misconduct, judgment, citations, informed, gravity, preferred, elaborated, issue, response, protection, furnishing, despite, preferred, violated. Stop.